Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can check remotely who is logged in on a specific server or system from domain controller. Okay, so I'll show you step by step. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you're a new user for my channel, please subscribe just to support me, just to motivate me. Let's start. You can see here on this computer, logged in username is SKY. Okay, and this computer name is, let me show you, and this computer name is ABC, and it is in itparivar.lan domain. Now let me move to my domain controller. So this is my domain controller, and here you can see my domain name is itparivar.lan, and as that server system means this system is in itparivar.lan domain. So what I'll do, you need to open server manager. Okay, go to all servers, right click here, and then you will find here add server. Okay, so once you will right click, then you need to click to the add servers, and then here you need to find that machine. So in my case, I am trying to check on my computer which name is ABC. Okay, so I'm just trying to check who is logged in on this PC from domain controller remotely. Okay, so once you'll find here, you will find that name. Just need to select and click here. It will be moved this side, then just say okay. Once it will be added here, you can see, just you need to right click and then click to Windows PowerShell. Okay, once you will click to Windows PowerShell will be opened like this, abc.itparivar.lan, and this. That means this PowerShell is opened here of this computer. Okay, what you need to do, you need to type here query, query, query space user. Okay, and press enter button. Okay, once we'll hit enter, maybe it will take some time. I'm sorry, it should be query, query space user, and press enter. So you can see here username SKY, console session, means it's logged in physically, not remotely. If any user will be logged in remotely, it will show here like session RDP, not console. Okay, state active, and logon time is this. Okay, so in this way you can check remote servers, remote computers status, like who is logged in, which user is logged into that remote PC. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. If you have any query or concerns, please feel free to leave comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar again. Bye bye.